YouTube. It's a boy. Siphula abantwana izinto ezinjini thina sinkomgijima emayiphikule sibamba ngothusla uyangithola. So first thing first, obvious, izandli. I'd like to thank 2K subscribers and keep on subbing, road to 10,000 subscribers. So like now I just woke up, you feel me? So I just woke up. I'm gonna do laundry because of the ass. There's no more babies. Guess what shit? Sharp.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
So yeah, Sharp. I'm gonna do laundry. This video is all about shopping. Today I'm thinking of buying there by the mall to like grab some parts. Understand? So, oh, that's easy.
Shit my guys na never na pising shit. Imporegito nothing alumisene.
So for movies the boys clean and so like now I'm out here. As operating on.
I feel out. I'm just going to shift and check a lay and I'm sorry before.
Yeah, well. Actually, subscribe to YouTube channel. Yeah. But you subscribe to YouTube, yeah, man.
Guys, subscribe. I want to know since chola me.
Iso. Well, it's not like your charm. Yeah, Puma fresh.
Yeah. Subscribe and go pull our shit man, you know. Subscribe. What's in this pool? Link the what's in the
link in the description. Scroll boy.
Or pa.
Iso. Yeah, fair the film. So like now we're going to like collect clothes and so, and obvious like I bought my mom's a cell phone. Understand? Yeah. But sijabulisa umzali uthole ama blessings. So yeah, man, let's go and then later on we gonna vibe there by Molof to grab some few things and so then we are on.
So fair enough impahla ukuthi uyocollecta la ngiprinta khona ngithola ama-order abantu njengokubona ngiyamthola. So istaff ngisithulile kwamele sicobe ngendini naqeda ngipackage ngiyadiliva. Mangithi tla engithi vis nangithi udirama udlala ka borotho shashala. You guys at level lokwatile ukuthi ngiposting ama-RNK ngumshini.
Yo fam, we here now. So obvious.
I feel the guys okriver mangifike sibulile. You understand? Marafil. So first thing first, I bought socks. The reason why it's cause like I didn't have to like wear tomorrow Masia in Pumalanga. So feed and I all star on in my offense. Dalang finally patule. But then like I was lazy to like buy it and so. And my I knew that we online. Things are order but then inside, so bengifuna ile rate but then I didn't get it, so I had to like buy this one, you understand? But then feel ngibali on. Then abanye bathini you can't go shopping without eating, you understand? Adlala bengilambi. So ngithenga thingana ngomagawulo ngikona ukuzicabanga, you understand? Because ukurinovari like ku-green life ukuthi uzicabanga uyibuze ukuthi ufunani empilweni uyangithola ne?
Nah, yo fam. Oh, never no. So we out here. Angithola ne. So yeah, I don't know, man. I'll vlog until home though. Angithola. Now on. I'm still saying it too. I'm the inspiration.
So I was waiting for a Bolt. Guys, I'll never lie. I'm a Bolt. I figure fast. Understand? I got home safe. Inside my feeling I buy them 2 piece. Because like I don't just take clothes. Young tall. when you take clothes you have to buy. Ukuthi ngi-brand owner uShanex, you have to buy. He was happy, yo.
He box or he phone. Serious. Oh, and you.
Guess what? Ayiphi ngiphethe lezi zinja zami ngithola ngiphethe usmile ngiphethe nomlifaza understand. Izolo ngibuye eMall of Africa. Then today usmile ekuseni ngifonela athi boy. Let's ride by Mall of Africa understand. Because bekumele buy cover. Then I was like no sibange.
Ngifanishela kamnandi.
Ngathi yini?
Ngivana yabona i-iPhone yakhe ekhombisa ukuthi i-iPhone yasayistole. Yebo. Hayi, ATM leyo.
Sizibone nje.
Okay. Angikholanga ngayophi ngifuna ukungidla imali yami. Angifuni. Ngizokubona kunganamali.
Izwa. Ayeyeye. Yakhe. Izwa. Ayeyeye. Dlala kalona. Yo. Game time.
Ngeke abuye la mfana umtshintshele.
Dlala kalona.
Angeke abuye umshini sa-Thailand. Uzozwa.
Change. Ngakutshela nga. We are cruising now.
We are cruising now. You're eating my mate. What's wrong with you now?
Then obvious ngiyazi Mr. Breadwinner asifake kudlina ngithola athi nifuna ukudlala asathini come on asizame kuma space ngene sibuya ngithola mina nale yami sisithandela ushukela sasolele into zamashukela namadingidingi ulifa sibamba ngamalemon nowatwata ngithola yabona singedonsa ngezinjoyela when it comes to all mina ngizange siqinisa ngazoreli bheka bheka nomunye ibhodi mama angazi ngizothini yazi ya mara zona lezo into zama-fish angithona nasekuyivimfeli yabona sisiyavaya sobona i-hotman siya nightclip understand so ngiphathelele na-something naye ukuthi makafida vela on so we are out man aniyazi guys kibuphilo kula abantu superstars uyamthola so uyafeli yabona besaya kuye feli uthembisa sekushayela ijiyo understand ane on yeah man, you see like we chilling. Amanye ama-views wamamshamangelo walentwana ring English angithola guys angikhulanga sharp ne mara ngiyazi ngifundisile YouTube lezitolizi man amamuvi bukela namamuvi ramapopayi ngizoyazi English angithola Tingsule before bathing a pub. So shiftile, so shifta kwethu isayolanda ukunyeke nolidla bo uJanuary simthola. So feel sharp. We went by Sentin to see Upanda Africa, but then the real reason why we was there is because peaceful shoot a concert. Understand? So this guy location a company like Safia sa shooter. I wanna be slave na bomb pot room. Ish man if like Amarangan seven smart now was a pot room, understand? Then shoot my YouTube video and I three.
Sorry the dollar. We go United States. Flights. We are doing a lot of things.
Joale.
Abuti, utla litse thing. Guys, we're outing, ne?
Wait.
Yeah, please stay tuned. Ngicela subscribe kani. Machita ngicela like dala le movie.
Supportani machita.
Yeah, ngithola.
You know, come with the realest content.
Exactly.
Yabo.
Yeah.
So nenze kanjalo niyazi nani. Awuwe.
Yeah, now we're outing, fam. Sibalandile, masitshana.
Guys, we are done shooting.
Uya bala ngamabalabala. Uya arvera mna. Uya bala. We're within. We are on top of the street.
Ndana sikova ngitolo leyana. Ungisicovile manje siyithela ngapha. Kuthele manje. Sinemali.
Mina nale yami sinemali. Hayi.
So very I say child listening. So I want to say a lot of things. I want you to listen to this track. I throw it on my understand no wise. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Dango.